Intelligent machines dominating humanity. A digital age where robots control our every move. Sounds scary, right? But how much of this is real? And how much is just Hollywood magic? Today we're journeying through the maze of AI. We'll unveil the real story behind the legends you've heard, separating fact from fiction. With the explosion of AI in popular culture and our daily lives, it's crucial to sift through the noise. While blockbuster films and the latest smartphone innovations paint one picture, the genuine landscape of AI may surprise you. Let's dive deeper to uncover the authentic essence behind these advanced technologies. So, gear up as we navigate the world of AI, distinguishing the myths from the milestones. First stop at myth number 1, the big question. Is AI truly intelligent like us? Sounds legit, doesn't it? Well, hold on. Often, when people witness AI platforms like ChatGPT or IBM's Watson excel in specialized tasks, they exclaim, "That's an intelligent machine." But here's the catch. AI emulates intelligence. It can process, learn, and execute specific tasks with precision, but it lacks genuine understanding or emotion. Ever been amazed by a lifelike deep fake or found yourself engaged in conversation with a responsive bot? That's specialized AI, honed for that precise task. While humans learn from a blend of experiences and emotions, AI's learning curve is shaped by vast amounts of data. Its intelligence isn't about emotions or consciousness, it's a testament to its prowess in data processing and efficiency. It's crucial to remember that AI, while capable of mimicking many tasks, doesn't genuinely grasp them. Their world revolves around algorithms and data. They won't be lost in thought or feel a surge of joy at a puppy's antics. But what they lack in emotion, they make up for in precision. While we dream of artificial general intelligence, with human-like cognition, it remains a distant goal. Our most advanced models today are specialized, catering to specific tasks. Diving into myth number 2. Ever pictured AI as a luxury reserved for tech giants? Time to broaden your horizon. Today, the world of AI is accessible to all, from small startups to established enterprises, thanks to the wonders of cloud platforms and open-source libraries. While mega-sized AI models do carry a hefty price tag, not every venture needs to start from ground zero. With giants like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure spearheading the democratization of AI, even businesses on tight budgets can dip their toes into this transformative tech. It's not merely a matter of cost. The real value lies in scalability and adaptability. No longer is deep AI expertise a must-have. Now, specialists from various fields can employ AI to their advantage. In the past, personal computing was seen as a rare privilege. Today, it's in every home. AI is charting a similar trajectory, transitioning from a luxury to a staple. Moving on to myth number 3, AI, the job snatcher? Hold on a minute. While it's a widespread fear, AI isn't necessarily the antagonist we picture. Throughout history, technological shifts have always stirred concerns. Remember the Industrial Revolution or the dot-com boom? These weren't just periods of job losses, they were eras of job transformation. AI, in many ways, is an extension of this historical trend. Just as past innovations led to new career avenues and redefined industries, AI promises to bring about a renaissance in the job market. It's about evolution, adaptation, and progress, not just displacement. Remember the fear when computers first appeared? They didn't end jobs, they transformed them. Computers gave rise to an entirely new array of professions. The same is projected with AI. While this technology will automate certain tasks, it's also paving the path for new opportunities. Let's shed light on a few statistics. Did you know that since the year 2000, automation is responsible for the loss of about 260,000 jobs in the US, according to Zippia? Sounds alarming? But here's the twist. A vast majority of these were in sectors like manufacturing, where human safety was often at stake. This shift, in many cases, safeguarded workers from hazardous conditions. However, it's crucial to remember that while machines can handle specific tasks, they still need human guidance. Take ChatGPT as an example. Sure, it might churn out code, but it requires the touch of an adept software engineer to craft the right prompts and refine its output. The tech's prowess isn't about replacement, it's about collaboration. While AI offers tools, it's the human touch that gives them purpose and direction. History is testament that when one sector shrinks due to automation, several others bloom. Yes, transitions can be challenging, but they always open new horizons. For every job AI might replace, it has the potential to create others. So let's not fear the change, but adapt and evolve with it. There will always be space for human touch. Here comes myth number 4. AI is neutral and unbiased. Newsflash: it learns from data, and data can be, well, biased. Just like that old game of telephone. If the message or data, in this case, starts skewed, the end result can be way off mark. Human biases can creep into AI, so it's up to us to set the record straight. These models can and have displayed racial, gender, or other biases. It's crucial to approach AI critically, refining models to ensure fairness. Unintentional biases can creep in, but the AI community is hard at work, ensuring these systems are fair and just. AI is only as neutral as its data, and sometimes that data carries our own biases. It's our responsibility to make it right. But the good news? Awareness is growing, and we're continually refining to make AI fairer for all. And finally, the holy grail of all myths. Myth number 5. AI will take over the world and enslave humans. Thanks to Hollywood, this myth is the most sensational. But here's the reality. AI doesn't have desires or consciousness. Fueled by blockbuster movies and gripping novels, it's easy to see why this myth is popular. However, AI operates based on instructions and data given by humans. The existential fears are rooted more in philosophy than technology. What does it mean to be conscious? Can machines ever have that? The consensus now? It's unlikely. Here's the tea. Even the most advanced AI, like ChatGPT, don't have nefarious plots against us. They operate based on programming, without desires or motivations. These tools operate within the boundaries set by their human creators. The true challenge and responsibility lie in ethical AI development and proper oversight. The trajectory of AI lies in our hands. With responsible development, we ensure a future where AI complements, not competes. AI is transforming our world in remarkable ways, making tasks easier, decisions smarter, and even transforming traditional workplaces. By breaking free from myths, we can harness its true potential responsibly and efficiently. In our digital age, staying updated and informed is key. So let's embrace the AI evolution with facts by our side. Enjoyed the AI ride? Make sure to hit the like button and share it with your curious friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more myth-busting insights. Drop a comment with your thoughts or any other myths you've heard. Remember, the future isn't written in code. It's co-authored by us. Until next time, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.